This video will show you how to schedule a counseling appointment online with the Counseling and Advisement Center at Citrus College. First, go to my.citruscollege.edu and type in counseling. Click Schedule a Counseling Appointment. Review the criteria for scheduling 30-minute and 45-minute appointments and decide which option will be best to fit your needs. If you are part of a special population at Citrus, select Appointments, Meet with a Counselor, and then choose Program-Specific Specialty Area Counseling. Find which population you are a part of and choose the appropriate appointment length needed. For our example today, I'm going to say that I am not part of a special population. I'll go back to the general scheduling page and select to schedule either a 30 or 45-minute appointment. Log in with your Citrus College student ID number, including the A or C, and enter your birthday. Click the box that you consent and click Sign In. Choose Make Appointment. You can filter your options by days of the week, times you're available, and if you have a particular counselor you'd like to meet with. Click Search. Choose the option that works best for you and click the box to the left. Confirm your contact information is correct and choose a reason for your appointment. Lastly, click what type of appointment you'd like to have. You can choose to come in person, meet virtually over Zoom, or have the counselor call you at the number provided. Click Continue once you've made your selection and be sure to screenshot the details of your appointment. This system also allows you to view upcoming appointments or cancel them, and it can also show you a history of your previous appointments by clicking here. Please give us a call if you run into any issues with scheduling.